sperms are like active fishes. They swim up the uterine cavity and reach the middle end of the tube where the egg is already lying. It is there the sperms, they try to puncture the oocyte. Every egg has got a hard shell called as a zona. As you might have heard, around semen count 40 million. What does 40 million mean? 40 million means 400 lakh.
What?
We talked about one egg and we talked about 400 lakh sperms. So all these sperms, they try to puncture the zona together. However, only single sperm is able to enter the egg. After it enters the egg, there is formation of a baby, which then grows to a stage called as blastocyst.
Okay.
If Monday the ovulation has occurred or Monday the fertilization has occurred, then by Saturday you would have a blastocyst. Right? So this blastocyst then implants in the uterine cavity. So first the blastocyst has to get transported from the tube to the uterus and then it has to stick on ovary.
Okay.
Once it sticks on, almost 7 to 10 days later, you will do your pregnancy test and that comes out to be either positive or negative. If the blastocyst has implanted, there is a good pregnancy, you will have a positive test. In case it has not implanted, the pregnancy test will be negative. And after waiting for the embryo for another 7 days after the expected time of the blastocyst to reach, if we talk of day 14 ovulation and say about day 21 the blastocyst to implant, the endometrium will wait for another 7 days to receive the baby. If it doesn't get the baby, it's going to shed out, which is called as periods. That is why in a 28-day cycle, ovulation occurs on day 14 and day 1 is when you begin your periods.